Okay, welcome back to another imposter video. Today we'll be playing with Jaquan. Say hello, Jaquan. Okay. Yeah, he sucks. Just ignore him. So we will be playing Among Us, and I am in the imposter, so I'm trying to, okay, I don't need to do that just yet. Alright, I'm looking all over. Oh, shoot. Oh, you. That guy's cap. Okay, no one there. Bro, everyone in the server is so cap. Shoot, bro. I killed him. Oh, God. I'm out, jeez. Alright, let's see. Alright, yeah, we're not gonna vent, actually. Oh, that's scary, I'm scared. Oh, crap, I'm scared. Oh, I just ran by a bunch of people. Ah! Okay, yeah, let me just do this with that. Wait for the kill to go back up. 7, 6. Where's oxygen? Oxygen. Alright. Hello? Submit them. Alright, bro. Bro, they don't know yet. Okay, bro. I said they voted for me. I swear to God, I'd be so mad. Okay. Okay, voting ends in like freaking almost a minute. That's a big, giant waste of time. Okay. Oh, okay, everyone voted to skip. Alright, no one has voted, right? Yeah. Nobody was ejected. Okay. Wait 25 seconds before we can kill again. Okay, we're just gonna wait here for a few seconds. Summer boy? I don't know. Ah, man. Alright. I'm gonna just make a golden task. Alright. Storage room. My hand will be on Q at all times, just in case I run by. Yeah, I think I'm dead. Okay, I swear, please, people don't freaking. Don't. Okay, no one voted me. No one suspects me. Oh, let's go. Okay. Alright. I think he's all too much, bro. That was super sketch. So my hands are always on cue from now on. But you're so fast in this game, like you're just sprinting down the halls, like this ain't Flash, or is it? I tried to do that. Bro, I'm not even streaming. I'm just making a video. Alright, well, I gotta give it because they already know it's me. I'm gonna vote for myself. Oh, I have to see myself get flung out. Alright, I can't press the side. Okay, I'm leaving game. Guys, I was so capped, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna end this video off here because everyone it's so bad. But we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.